I shall stand before the Lamb on that glorious day. I shall praise His name, His wonderful name, and I will sing hallelujah. It's the joy within my heart, this jubilant song of praise I sing. Even on gloomy days before me, I will always lift my voice. Thou hast given me the joy of eternity. Winter, spring, and through the seasons, you're my never-failing God, to whom my stronghold will always be. In His love and righteousness, all His promises assured. Come ye all who long for His bountiful love. Through the gates we will enter and proclaim how great Thou art. We triumphant march beside our King. Through the gates we will enter and proclaim how great Thou art. We triumphant march beside our King. Bless you, thank God.